Welcome everyone. In this session, we are going to deploy the machine learning application into production. Like in our case, we are going to deploy in Heroku. And Assembly AI already has a video and they have explained everything like creating a model and creating an application for that using a fast API. And they have explained everything to how to deploy in Heroku. But in this case, we are going to create a one more action like whenever the user commits the code to main branch and the code will be pushed to the cloud. I have already downloaded the code and this is the code here and already have the repository and so what we are going to do here, so we will be going to action and we'll be having a option to create a new workflow and set up a workflow yourself. So in this case, it will be add main.yaml file under workflows folder. So since I already have that folder, I'm not going to commit this code. So this is the YAML file. Um, in this YAML file, we are going to give email, our Heroku email ID and the API key and the app name. So if we give these details, and it will be deployed into Heroku environment. So we'll create a app. So okay, we created an app here, and to connect GitHub to the Heroku, we have to give these details in GitHub. So we'll go to this repository and go to the settings, go to the secrets and actions. So here we have three secrets like API key, app name, and email. So API key is nothing but we'll go to settings, accounts. Then here we have API key. So once you reveal and copy paste it in the GitHub, like you have to create a new repository secret and you give this key and this value here. So next one is app name. App name is nothing but the name which we created this now. So this is the app name we have to give. Since I created a new one, I'll update that app name. Next one is a Heroku email, like our email ID here. So we have to give this email ID. So once we give all these details, so whenever we are making a commit to the whenever we make the code commit to the GitHub, so this will the action will push the code to the Heroku. So we'll make one simple change. Here I'm changing the version here. I'm adding the changes and commit the changes. And I'm pushing to the main branch. So here we have a configuration like when we push this to main branch, it will be pushed to the cloud. So once we go to the repository, we can see the action here. Still it's building. Okay, deployment has been completed. So we'll check the URL. So here, whatever version is changed, it is reflected here. We can also go to post method. Once we go to the doc, and it predicts as English. So like this, whenever we make a change and we'll push it to the main branch, so that will be automatically pushed it to the cloud environment. Thank you.